Welcome to the video tutorial of eZee BurrP, a desktop-based restaurant management software. In this video, we will talk about table service style, which is known as dine-in order type in eZee BurrP. In this type of service, the guests enter the dining area and take seats. The waiter offers them water and menu card. The guests then place their order to the waiter. Let's look at the operation of dine-in order type in eZee BurrP, and how it can be useful to the restaurant. Once the user is logged in into eZee BurrP, the user can see the dine-in order type. Upon clicking on Dine-in, the user enters into table service window where they can see the various seating areas, like garden side, pool side, AC room, etc., where the tables are placed to take the order. Let's start with the order and look after the numerous available options, to complete the cycle from taking the order from the guest to settle the bill. Order information form pops up while clicking on a table, where the user requires to capture the guest's information, which includes table number, waiter name, guest name, number of adult, child, order date, guest remark, and others. These options can be set as optional and the server can skip this form. Upon filling up the form, the user redirects to the order window where the list of menu items are available to select. Different modes are available here in which the menu can be viewed. To search for a menu item by its name, select the retail mode here or use the shortcut key F6. In retail mode, the user can type the name of the item and punch it from here. The user selects the menu items of the guest's choice and place the order. What if the user selected wrong menu item or entered wrong quantity for the selected menu items? To overcome such error efficiently, the order window offers certain operations that allows the user to perform quick operations instead of leaving the order window. The user is allowed to delete the menu item from the order page if selected by mistake. Click here to remove the item. Let's say the menu item called pizza can have multiple units like a small pizza, regular pizza, large pizza, and the rate of each unit can be different. If the guest asked for regular pizza earlier, and later changes his mind to have large pizza, in such case the menu item unit can be changed for the menu item. While placing an order with the help of Change Unit option, select this option and select the correct unit from here. If the user requires to change quantity for the selected menu item, it can be done by Change Quantity option. Enter the new quantity and click on Finish. Preparation remark can also be added for the particular menu item as per the guest's preference. Select the menu item first, click on this option, and add the remark here like extra cheese. Furthermore, the user is also allowed to select the menu item for the particular seat number, in case the guests prefer to have separate bill later on, and the receipt requires to split by seat number among the number of guests sitting on the table. Select the seat number first, and then punch the item. There are a couple of more useful options available, like complimentary, hold item, fire item, hold order, etc., which can make the operation easy. If any item is given as complimentary to the guest, then the user can set the item as complimentary from here. Hold item is used when the guest wants certain items to be served after some time, so when any item is put on hold it won't print on the KOT, and the KOT of that item will print when it is set to fire. First, select the item which the guest wants after specific time. Click here and select hold item. Then select the time at which the guest would like to have it, and the KOT will print automatically on the specified time. The user can select the manual option as well, and later need to fire the item manually. Click on Print and Finish to place the order. the order gets printed to the respective kitchen in a form of kitchen order ticket. If the restaurant has separate food preparation section for foods and beverages, the restaurant can use separate KOT printer concept to get the order printed in the respective kitchen's printer. In case the restaurant is using kitchen display system known as KDS, the order gets displayed on KDS monitor. User can check the items which are put on hold from here. From here the user can select the item and fire it. If the guest calls the waiter and place another order, the user requires to click on the same table where the user will get an option to create new KOT. For each new order placed by guest, the user requires to create new KOT. Click on the table. Select new KOT. Punch the items. Click on Print and Finish and the KOT is generated. If the guest requests to transfer the order to another table, it can be done with Transfer KOT option. Select the KOT and choose Transfer KOT. Select the table and click on Finish. Transfer process gets completed upon selecting the another table. It may happen that after placing the order, the guest changed his mind and wants to cancel an item from the order, or the user punched the item mistakenly and created the KOT. The user can remove the item by using Edit KOT option. Select the item which the guest cancelled and click here to remove it. Once the guest is done with the food, they will request for a bill. Here, the user can open the table, select all the KOTs and make a receipt. While making receipt, if discount requires to apply, it can be done with the help of discount option. Click on the percentage sign here, and it will pop up different discount methods. To give a discount on the entire bill amount, select this. Select the discount type and click on Apply. If discount is to be given on any specific item, use Discount on Item method, select the discount type. Select Apply on selected and then select the items on which discount is to be given. And click on Apply and the discount is applied successfully. Close the discount window after applying the discount. Click on Print and Finish to make the receipt. The receipt which gets generated is called a guest check, which means an unsettled receipt as the waiter handed over to the guest for the verification. There could be a scenario where the guest orders an item after receipt has made. In such case, the user requires to create a new KOT by opening a table and place an order. Select the table. Select New KOT. Punch the items. And click on Finish to create the KOT. Later on, that new KOT can be assigned to the receipt which has been generated on that table. Select the table and choose the Assign Receipt option. And the item will get added to the receipt. Let's assume a group of friends has visited the restaurant. They prefer to split the bill among themselves. Such event can be managed with Split Receipt option, where the user can split the receipt as per amount, quantity, equally, or seat number-wise by entering number of slips required. Let's assume it was a group of 4 adults, and they would like to split the bill equally among them. To split the bill, select the receipt. Choose the option Split Receipt. Put the number of bills which needs to be generated, in this case it will be 4, as it's group of 4 people. Select Equally and click on Yes. Once the bill is split, it will show all the split receipts on the table which has to be settled separately. Post-verification, once the guest is ready for the settlement, the user opens the table and click on Settle Receipt option. Enter the amount received from the guest. While processing the payment, if the guest expresses feelings to consider change due amount as a tip, the user requires to click on Excess as Amount button and the excess amount will be considered as gratuity, which is also called tip. In case the guest is short of cash amount and willing to settle the bill with multiple payment modes, this can be taken care by breaking the settlement amount among cash and other settlement modes. Suppose the guest paid $100 in cash and the balance payment via card. Put the amount here as 100. Select the payment mode as cash and click on Add. Now the balance amount will come up automatically, and the user need to select the new payment mode. These were all the steps which a user has to perform when any guests dine in the restaurant. To view or reprint the settled receipts, go to the main dashboard. Then Receipt. Select All Receipt here, and All Order. Select the bill and reprint it from here. To print a bill of past date, the user can select the date from here. This was all about dine-in operation in BurrP. Thank you for watching the video. If you have any queries or feedback, please visit our 24/7 live chat support.